This is a room tour of the Hyatt Place Garden of the Gods in Colorado Springs, Colorado. It's a very good sized room. We were there for one night. Bed was comfortable. There was a restaurant across the lot, but we didn't go there. It was very busy, so it was probably pretty good. I like that there's a little separate sitting area. Everything was clean, comfortable. The lighting was good. Lots of storage area. The TV, they had a nice big TV, but I guess that's old from an older television, because that just seems very old. But the room was updated. Let's check in. Little check-in desk behind there. You'll see was where the breakfast was. They had a nice breakfast. Nice buffet breakfast. There were some sitting areas by check-in, business center. We did wind up having dinner there. They had very limited dinner. Convenience center. The dinner was in the bar, and actually the person that was at the front desk was also the bartender. And that would be in the same place that we're going to see is where we had the breakfast, where you sit to eat the breakfast. And the breakfast was nice. There were, good choices.